super experience. I was able to share this wonderful 1970 Camaro with my father-in-law. And now my father-in-law is a bit of a muscle car guy. He's into big blocks. He's got an L88 and a 40 Willie scoop. And he's got a 427 Biscayne. So this little 6.0 LS engine was quite the fun surprise for him. So I had the dash cams in, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Come on. You haven't driven this car. You can. Remember, getting in this is easy compared to your Biscayne or your Willys.
Yeah. Where we drive stuff like this.
That's exactly what I said, sir. I know you've ridden in it, but I think we rode in before I had the speedometer and it tuned and all that.
Yeah, I remember, because you still had a problem with the speedo.
Yep.
And that was causing the shifts to be all funky.
Not anymore.
This thing pulls like a train.
Slow down, try again. Wait till you get to second gear. Therapy.
Yeah. Breaks them right loose. Wow.
You gotta ease into it a little bit.
Yeah,
you start to feel it go when you're there, then you stomp down on it. It's almost like at the drag strip with the clutch.
Yeah, I was going to say that you definitely, this is an acquired taste to drive. Like you say, if it starts coming in hard, you gotta backpedal a little bit, let it bite.
It's all you as a driver.
Yeah, I know.
No technical shit to help you or anything.
No, and that's how it should be, you know. What nonsense, like, wow, these fucking things are crazy. And this is what, a 6.0 or 5.3?
6.0.
Yeah.
Still, it's all stock parts though.
Yeah, no shit.
Stock LS6 head, stock LS6 cam.
Yeah.
Pretty much, other than the fast intake and the long tube headers and stock, and that's really, I mean, that's not really adding, you know.
Right, but those are both good items to have, you know. Yeah, no doubt. But the main core of it, you know. Yeah.
I would love to see McCall's face.
Oh yeah.
I gotta
Well, yeah, but now you know what it's like, right?
Oh yeah.
When you put your foot into it before it breaks the tires loose, you gotta backpedal a little bit, and the car will go like snake. But wow, I'm really surprised. It just fucking blows it. I mean, it blows the tires away, and if you don't fucking lighten up, it ain't gonna bite. Yeah, and even looks.
Fucking amazing. Amazing.
Now you know I don't want to get rid of this one right away. The driving aspect.
You know, Clint, you need something for your fucking head.
And like this, it's fun.
Right, but I'm telling you. Gotta let Kathy drive this.
She can drive it if she wants.
Yeah, I had a kidnap her. She'll have a kid. This will blow her mind.
She'll tell me to behave every time she sees it.
No, she's...
Does it drive the way you thought it would drive?
Car pulls fucking hard. Car pulls hard. I had no idea of what it would drive like, be honest with you.